Many companies we know today were started by owners who were also balancing full-time jobs. Companies like Spanx, which was started by Sarah Blakely, who was working during the day at Dunker while devoting nights to her side business. Jeff Bezos, founder of Amazon, had a full-time job working at a hedge fund. He started Amazon as an online bookstore while still employed, working on it during the nights and weekends. Eventually, it grew into the e-commerce giant we know today. Another example is John Quam. I hope I pronounced that name properly. Quam co-founded WhatsApp while still working at Yahoo. He developed the messaging app during his spare time and later left Yahoo to focus on WhatsApp full-time. Facebook later acquired WhatsApp for billions of dollars. When there's limited time to work on developing a new company, you need to pick and choose what tasks to focus on first. Here are 9 practical tips that can help you to prioritize certain tasks over others when you have limited time to work on your startup, especially when you're holding a full-time job. If you appreciate the time and effort that takes into making such videos, please smash the like button and subscribe to the channel if you've not done that yet. With that said, let's start. When you're only able to work on your business or side hustle part-time, what are the tasks that should take priority when you have limited time? The first practical tip is build an online presence. This is one of the things we overlook when we are starting a side business, especially when balancing full-time work. One of the best areas to focus your efforts as a promising entrepreneur or business owner when you have limited time to spend on your side hustle while holding down a full-time job is producing content and building an online presence. Here are some great ways you can utilize to show people what you're all about, even if you don't have anything for them to buy yet. These can include, but are not limited to, blogs, videos, social media posts. It lets you connect with people and reveal what drives you, like your vision. By building an online presence with a loyal following, you will get your business off to a strong start. The second practical tip you can apply when starting a side business while also holding down a full-time job is prioritize content creation. Holding down a full-time job, you can only have a few spare hours in the day to dedicate to your side hustle. Since you have limited time as a promising entrepreneur, utilize it to create content. As we all know, content is king. It helps you climb the search engine rankings over time and gain traction on the respective inquiries that represent your niche or target audience. The content that you create helps your business grow and helps you to gain the trust of your audience and build brand authority. 3, increase your audience engagement. One practical way you should focus on every day is improving your online audience engagement. You as a promising entrepreneur can have an amazing website and convince users to join your email list, but none of your work will amount to new sales if you don't consistently engage with your subscribers and build connections. When you don't have as much time as you need, especially when you're holding down a full-time job while dedicating time to your side hustle, you should take out time, however small it is, each day and have some kind of online engagement, either creating an email series or blog posts. The fourth tip is prioritize sales growth. As entrepreneurs, we get overwhelmed with administrative duties. Instead, you should work to aggressively increase your business revenue so that you have more budget room and cash flow to start hiring staff. This can help you to scale your business, especially if you aren't able to transition into a full-time role with your own business. Remember, by hiring new staff, you can expand yourself through them, hence focusing on the most important tasks. The next tip is prioritize high-impact tasks. When running a side business, there are a lot of important tasks that you need to do, but some tasks are more important than others. If you only have limited time, especially when you're also working full-time, then you should prioritize tasks that will bring the greatest or biggest impact. Some of these include marketing, doing research, and developing new products or services. By focusing on these high priority tasks, you'll be positioning your business to succeed. The sixth tip is provide great customer service. As an entrepreneur operating a side business, you should remember that keeping your customers happy should be your top priority. So if you have limited time to work on the overall business while holding down a full-time job, you need to focus on improving your customer service. Focus on making your customers' experience with your business exceptional and leave a great positive impression. By doing this, you will have repeat customers and have free word of mouth advertising. The seventh tip is improve the quality of your products. At the beginning of one's business, we overlook certain aspects, but this can affect your business in the long run. The quality of your products or services can make or break your business. If people love your products or services, they will come back to you over and over again. So work on improving your products and services. Not only will you have repeat customers, but you will gain new ones through good reviews and word of mouth advertising. The eighth practical tip you can implement when you're running your business part-time is build strong partnerships. We always have this saying when we're looking for a new job or looking for promotion, it's who you know. But this also applies to you as an entrepreneur. Building strong partnerships is one of the most important tasks you should focus on when you have limited time to run your business. Strong partnerships with business and influencers in your industry can help you reach wider audience, access new resources, and generally make your business more successful. Plus, as you already know, it is helpful to have a supportive network to rely on when things get tough. So, make it priority to build strong partnerships. The ninth tip you can apply when you're running your business part-time while holding down a full-time job is develop a schedule. One task that should take priority when you're working on your business part-time is creating and maintaining a schedule. Your schedule should detail what you will work on each day and how much time you will spend on it. A schedule will help you make the most of your limited time and help you progress on your business goals. It can also keep you accountable to work on your business. So there you have it, 9 practical tips you can apply when running your business part-time and holding down a full-time job. If you found any value in this video, please smash the like button and subscribe to the channel if you've not done that yet. Remember also to share this video with other promising entrepreneurs who can also benefit from such tips. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.